So today we are going to solve question number 48 of this LeetCode series, which tells us about rotating an image. So we are given an n cross n 2D matrix representing an image which will get rotated by 90 degrees. So we have to rotate the image in place, which means you have to modify the input 2D matrix directly. Do not allocate 2D matrix and another 2D matrix and do the rotation. Okay, so we do not have to have the another vector for another 2D matrix for it. We have to do it in the same matrix itself. So let's first of all visualize what's given. So this is the given image. What our approach will be like. Okay, so let me zoom in. Sure. Now this is row 1, row 2 and row 3. So in row 1, what we will do is we will simply have it like this, have it vertically in a column. So row 1 will be as a column 1, and then similarly the row 2 will be as the okay, here it will be something like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it will 4 be here, so 4 5 6 7 8 9 7 8, so 7 8 9 will be this 7 8 9. Let me explain it to you again. It's something like row will become this is the row, it will become like this, it will simply become like this. So row 1 will be 1 2 3, 4 5 6 will be 4 5 6, and 7 8 9 will be 7 8 9. Now according to the image, what we have to do is simply we have to flip the row, we have to swap the row. We have, what we have done is the original row we have rotated it like this. Now that row, that whole row should be swapped. So that's how it's gonna work. 7 4 1, 1 4 7 will be 7 4 1, 2 4 8 will be 8 5 2, and 3 7 9 will be 9 6 3. Sorry, 3 6 9 will be 9 6 3. Okay, so this will be the order of the swapping. Now let's go into the code, and first of all we will have a loop. Int I equals to 0. It will start from this index and it will go up to the size of the loop. I should be less than matrix.size, and this will be I plus plus, and that we will have another loop. Int j equals to 0. It will also start from 0, but it will go up to, the j will be less than I. Okay, it will also have j plus plus. Okay, so what we have to do now is we have given the pointers. Now we just have to flip it vertically. It's like this was the row, we want the row like this. So what we will do is we will swap matrix I and j, comma matrix j I. Okay, so we have just swapped the matrix. Now what we have to do is we have to again iterate on that whole loop and again make the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 look something like this. So we have to swap the row, like 1 4 7, we have to swap it and make it in the form of 7 4 and 1. Until now is we have just made the row rotated from horizontally to vertically. Now what we have to do is we have to make the row which is made like 1 4 and 1 4 and 6, I think. Okay, 1 4 and 7, the row which is made now by having some of the arrangements like arrangements we have done. Now what we have to do, we have to reverse the elements. It's like 1 4 7, so 7 will be at first position and 1 will be at the seventh the position at where 7 is. 4 will be obvious, 4 will be for sure in the middle, so we just have to reverse it. So we will have for loop int I equals to 0, I should be less than matrix dot size and I plus plus, and we will reverse it matrix dot begin matrix dot end. Okay, sorry. Done is basically we have to got the value for matrix as matrix of I and matrix of I at both of the endpoints. So having matrix of I, what will get changed as the pointer, the reverse, the function we are using here will get an idea about from where at what index I have to rotate. So we can't write j because j is having the value of this thing, I is having the value of this thing. So I will reverse the elements at rows index, the indexes which are in row. It will reverse the elements at that point. If you have any doubt, I can explain it again. So let's assume that I is here and j is also here, but j will move less than I. J will move in the format, but it will be less than I. And I will follow this thing, and j will follow in vertically. Okay, so what we are doing is we are just swapping 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so basically we are 1 2 and 3, so 2 will be at 4th place and 3 will be at 7th place. Okay, so 1 is here, 2 and 4, this both diagonally, if I can say that 2 and 4 will get replaced and 7 and 3 will get replaced, by which code this code line will replace them. Okay, 5 will be at this place, 6 and 8 will be at its place, 6 and 8 will get replaced, and 9 will be at its place. Okay, so that was our second grid. This was our second grid, which will be done by this line. Okay, to make it look like this, what we have to do is we have to reverse the rows element. We just have to reverse the whole row, which we have got after swapping the elements of the original row. For that, we are running a loop over these, and then we are reversing them. We are reversing the I, because I was the one responsible for iterating over a row. So we will have matrix of I dot begin and matrix of I dot end. Let's submit it. It's got submitted. Thank you.